Welcome! If you're getting overwhelmed by Instagram notifications every time someone likes your comment, you're not alone. Thankfully, with the latest update on the Instagram app for PC, you can easily turn those notifications off and enjoy a quieter experience. Let me walk you through it step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, find and click on Settings. This is where Instagram keeps all the controls for your account, including your notification preferences. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This section gives you full control over what alerts you receive and what you don't. Next, click on Push Notifications. This is where Instagram manages all the real-time alerts that pop up while you're using your device. Now, scroll through the list until you find Comment Likes. This is the setting that controls notifications whenever someone likes a comment you've made. Under Comment Likes, simply select Off. That's